This is Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. So today we will going to discuss about brief about stock market trading with algorithm technologies. So everybody is here this name about algorithm. What is the benefit of this algorithm? Simply I said, this is a error-free execution. You can feel the difference between the normal trade execution and machine trade execution. So the something difference will be that difference will be give you as a profitability. Uh, this difference will be the convertible into the profitability. So that is the difference in a normal execution and algo. But in algo is a very disciplinary trade. You can feel you can trade with proper stop loss. You can trade with the proper target and entry condition with the exit condition. Though everything should be there, and then the thing will be in a unique. So this is a case that maximum client is making profits through the algorithmic trading. So I hear a lot of professional and lot of different profession people will be there. I think maybe some doctors or engineers or some businessmen or professionals or somebody will be there in the group. Okay, so everybody is having some their own time. That time will be in there. They can spend time for their official and family purposes, but not for trading. The maximum of the people say, I can't able to spend more time for trading. So because their working style and lifestyle will not be permitted to engage with the trading as a regular mode. So this is a case maximum clients is struggling to take position or engage with the stock market as frequent mode. So here we can we can hand over the entire thing to algo. So in this case, this is a very different. We feel some difference between the manual trading execution and the algo trader. Okay, let's see how the session is work and then how the algos is work. Okay, so algo trading. So welcome to the future. This is the main thing: the execution through by the machine and with the human brain. Okay, so human brain is creating a condition, then the machine will be automatically executing as per the condition. What are the input has given, that machine will be automatically enter into the market. Okay, so this is the main mechanism we are using. Okay, in this case, say lot of I have some 16 years of experience in the stock market. In the earlier stages, there are I have seen lot of clients. So maximum traders is losing in stock market because of some very few reasons. If the hit listing in the top 10 will be very unique. So everybody know that what will be the top 10. Can I get from you? Anyone can share your views why traders lose money? Can I get answers from the participant? Yeah, emotion, no discipline. Then, yeah, actually you can use the chat box. So instead of raising hand, the Q&A session will be for allowed you to ask questions. But now, so just 30 minutes presentation, you can use it. Okay, so passion is one of the good thing, but the thing is why traders losing money. So question is different. Passion is a quality to earn money. Yeah, fear is one of the factor, and then maximum a lot of factors also there. So it's a main hit list is no trading, proper trading plan. I will come to the directly, I will come to the session because the time is very little. Okay, so no proper trading plan. If the client is not having proper trading plan, there are no execution will be happened properly, because some people will trade based on the market movement. If the market is jumping for 5 rupees from 0 to 5, sorry, 1 to 5 6, that people immediately jump into the market and then start buying. Okay, so if the market is start falling for 2 rupees, the people will jump into the stock market and then they start selling in the stock market. So whereas in morning in the early stages, I have seen with a lot of clients trading in the dealer terminals in the early stages. If the market is gives the open of 50 points plus, and Asian market will open with the 50 points plus in the stock market, that everybody will jump into the buy mode. After the 30 minutes, 40 minutes, what will going to happen? That 50 will be automatically reduced into zero mode. Okay, so market will be set up into the neutral and then it start coming down. 1 minute, I will take one call. Okay, sorry. So in this case, no trading plan. So without trading plan, the client can't execute any trades properly. If the market is jumping to and fro, if the market is open with the 50 point plus, everybody will be jump into the buy mode. Then after the 30 minutes, 40 minutes later, market will be set back lower, and then the market will become to the neutral zone. Everybody is making losses, and then they would profit and away from the market. So this is the thing is happening because no trading plan. So this is one of the cases major losing for losing money, and then not enough capital. So if you're having sufficient capital, that thing will be leads you to the beautiful destination to you in the profitability mode. So you are reducing pressure. Your pressure will be automatically reducing 50% to 70% by using if you have a sufficient capital. So whenever the pressure will be increases because the people is having a limited margin and then they are taking a lot of exposure. Earlier stages we are giving nearly 20 to 25 times exposure to the clients. But thing if the client is having a 10,000 rupees, the client able to take trades for a worth of 2.5 lakh rupees. So, but the cases will be very rare because the people is asking for exposure. Okay, but this case sometimes I will giving a personal advice to the clients because don't take this much of leverages because we are collecting my exchange is collecting a margin for a 4% to 5% for a particular stock or commodity. Okay, so in that 4% or 5%, that also the risky because we are not having any 100% capital to invest in stock market. Within we are having with the 4% or 5%. In that 4%, if you are taking so much of leverages for 25 times or 10 times, 15 times, that 4% divided by 15, so that will be your capital amount against the market. So if the market is having a power of 100, you are having the power of 0.02, so what will be the ratio for that? So you can't be able to fight the market, you can't be able to trade with the market. So that is the case maximum traders is losing because of not enough capital. Here the system is everything has framed because is algo you need a sufficient margin. But once you have a sufficient margin, then the profitability will be automatically increasing. You are simply aram say and then just log your trading terminal or your mobile account and every day morning after the thing algo will take care. So what are the strategies you have preferred and subscribed, and what are the strategies you have deployed, that strategy will be going to execute. So if the error free execution will be happen, you can free as a you can feel free from the difference between the manual trade execution is a you don't feel about the hot seat environment while trading because this is the ultimate motto for agenda for the algorithmic trading. So because whenever you can look for your work, you can go for your shop, you can go for your business, you can take care of your profession, you can go forward your travel, you can switch off your phone, or you can put a flight mode, everything will be there, you can do by your own. Then the secondary part, the algo will be automatically take placing orders. So that is the thing, is a beautiful setup and beautiful gift to the traders. That is the most agenda. Another one thing, emotional decisions, you can control the emotional decisions by using algo. So if you have some, if you are angry, if you are happy, that everything will be is a dangerous for us stock traders. If you are in an angry mode, you will be taking a rough decision, you will square up everything and then you can close accounts, everything will be there in that because of your emotion. If you are very happy mind, so you will take double buy, you will take triple buy, and then you will hold unnecessarily for your positions. Those kind of thing will be there. So this is the emotion will be a affect your profitability in stock market. So in this case, you can control complete emotion in algorithmic trading. And then no stop loss. So if the client is not using any stop loss, that is the case, is a hit listing topper in that no stop loss. So maximum client is in early stages. We have some study with that. If the top losing clients, who are the people is there in that? the list the people who doesn't use any stop losses. That is the case. Is the first difference. Okay. So if the client invested in a 30,000, 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees, within 4 to 5 days, the client has lost his capital up to the 20% to 25%. This is the case we are having in the earlier stages. Okay. Based on the clients don't want to place any stop losses. That is the thing. This is main beautiful thing. Man plus machine equal to money. Now everybody is asking why, how the algo is giving money. Man is having a beautiful ideology. So everyone having a super ideas, that thing will be in a algorithmic trading, is algorithmic strategy. Everybody is having some great strategies are super, everything will be there, and that strategy is giving money. But which thing will be the obstacle, which things will be the obstacle for that? Just imagine that obstacle is your execution and your mind. That's the thing is your brain is good, but you are physically you can't able to execute the thing. Once you derive the program, you hand over the entire thing to the machine. That machine will be take care. If the market is floating around 100 points, just imagine market is trading at 100 rupees. You were entered into the 100 rupees as a buy. Now you are placing a stop loss of 90 rupees. If the market is coming down, if the stop loss nearby the stop loss prices are 91 or 92, what you will do? Immediately the client will remove their stop loss. This is the thing is happening. Once the level of 90 is breaking, the market will be continuously 70, 60. That thing will be happening in stock market. This is the case. The loss will be expanded. That loss will be extreme from the client, and that's gone beyond to the client limitation. So that is the case. In that machine that didn't consider anything, if the stop loss is hit, that position will be automatically came out from the system. Then market will, this algo will be wait for the another opportunity to better trade. So this is the case. If we executed with the 10 trades, maximum 6 to 7% will be, 7 cases will be the 7 entries will be the success ratios is there in that. Because if you're having 1:1 ratio, you will be near the 1:1 profitability or 1:1 stop losses, you will be in a profitability mode also. In this case, algo is working with a beautifully thing. So this is a thing is an execution mechanism. That is the main motto. So when the man and machine, this will be the error-free execution will happen. If the error-free execution will happen, you can earn good money in stock market. Is another one thing is a back testing. So in the earlier stages, 15-20 years back, we don't have any back testing mechanism. The people can enter the prices about the stock market, and then we can check with the previous historical highs and lows in some with the tools or something with the candlestick formations. Now, if you're creating one strategy, so you can check with the last 6 months, you can check with the last 5 months or past 10 months or 20 months in the past. That is the case as in worst scenario was happened in that market. Maybe the best scenario was happened in that market, but flat market may some markets will be the flat market, maybe the flat market. So entire things will be the clubbed into that put together, so that the backtesting engine checked with all conditions, and then they have listed that your strategy is good or not. So once the backtesting has done, and then you can start with the live trading. After the live trading execution has done, you can list the strategy in the marketplace. So here we are having some certain strategies to the clients, and then how to choose the strategies and how to deploy the strategies. Here I will explain you one by one. Okay. So this is the backtesting mechanism. Without backtesting, nothing will be happen in the stock market. Okay. So backtesting is most important, so that all strategies has been taken place in their algo trading platform, that everything having a proper backtesting. So some strategies giving money, some strategies making losing. That is not in the case. So you can pick which strategy is good to you, which strategy is making consistent money, which strategy is giving a limited drawdown. You need to check everything. I will show you how to check. Okay, is a discipline. So discipline is the most important. So the traders is not having any proper discipline, that thing will be in a lead for the losing cases. Here you need one proper discipline. That thing is you need to trades algo as by their algo methodology. Okay, so don't interfere manually and don't pause or stop or exit manually. Don't do like this. Okay, so in this case, if you having some disturbance with that is thing will be affected in the P&L of that algo. What is algo is given, now that thing will be affected. Okay, so don't do that. So just let them allow to place orders. Okay, then before you need to take one thing, you need to place your orders. I'm sorry, you need to log in your trading account before 9 o'clock every day. So once you once you start login, you forget to log in the account, you can start the trading account after the 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. Now, the algo will be start placing the order afterwards. Then the spread difference will be making some losses for you. So if that returns will not be synced for a live algorithm platform strategy or your execution time of it. So that thing will be different. So you need to log in your mobile app or your trading application, web application before 9 o'clock. So that is the case every day you need to follow. So once you log, so no need to give any logout to in the system. So I will show you how to do the discipline. Okay. And then proper trading plan is a main agenda for algo. So algo is having a very proper trading plan. That is a big pillar to making a consistent profitability through the algo. Okay. So and then the strategy. So everything will be there in the strategy. So strategy is based on the circuit we are made. So if the entire circuit is proper, that bulb will be automatically lighting. So based on the thing, if your strategy and everything will be there is very perfect, your entry will be in, your profitability will be in a bright mode. Okay, this is the case we are showing here. Okay, so I will show the trading account. 1 minute. This is our trading account. So your Zebu trading account will be there like this. Okay, in this case you have we are offering as a free API key. So for if you people who associated with Zebu, so you can save 2,500 rupees money as save. This is worth of API key. So 2,500 rupees worth API key is free. In this case, this is your trading account. You need to go this area. So your client ID has shown this area. You can go for settings and then you can generate your API key. This API key in other brokers like Zerodha or Fires and Abstracts, they are charging 2,500 rupees per month for this API key. Okay, here we are charging nil. So we are completely offer for our API key as a client as free. Okay, once you generate your API key, this API key has been sent to your registered email ID. Once you copy that API key and save this, I will show you how to place and where to place. Okay, so this is a platform we are using. This is called as TradeTron. In Google, you can directly go for Google. Can you see this? Can you see the Google screen? Okay, so just use TradeTron. Just click so TradeTron here. The first one, tradetron.tech. This is the website. Before that, you need to give a sign up. You need to give your name, email ID, and a registered phone number, your country, your state, everything you need to give. Or if you have a Facebook account, you need to connect with this like this. Okay, I have account, so that I need to connect here by this way. This is my user ID and password I have. So I have connected with my trading account through TradeTron. Okay, this is my trading account. Then I need to go for a pricing plan. Okay, so there are lot of plans here. There are a lot of plan here. One thing is, first one is free. This kind of thing, you need to create your strategy and then you need to deploy. So this kind of case is very critical to clients, so that the client can't able to place. This one is 250 rupees per month. You can, in this case, you can subscribe one private strategy. You can subscribe one private strategy and deploy for 250 rupees. If you want to more subscribe and deploy the strategy, if you want to 5 or more, if you want to deploy 5 or more strategies, you can pay 1000 rupees per month. For 10 plus more, you need to pay 2500 rupees per month. If 25 plus more, you need to pay 5000 rupees. In here, we are using like this because if you want to subscribe your if you want to publish your own strategy, I need to pay, because we are having Zebu strategies, so that we need to give free of cost to the clients. That before, if we pay for this, we are paying 50,000 to Tradetron to provide you as a free of cost, so that we are providing like you. Okay, so you can utilize these strategies as well. Okay, this is the case. This is the plan. My current plan is, this is 15,000 we are paying for a monthly basis. This is my plan. So based on your need, if your need has increased, your charges also increase. Based on your need, you can choose your proper plan. So usually we are advise our clients to go with the 1000 rupees plan. Okay, this is monthly plan. So you need to pay not for Zebu, you have to pay for this platform to Zebu. Okay, so how can I go and subscribe this? I need to go with the Zebu trading account. I will show you how to use this. Okay, in this area there are 4 header is there. One is dashboard, another one thing is strategies, my subscribers and reports. You need to go for strategies, and then you need to choose marketplace. In this marketplace, our Zebu strategy also here. These are the strategies has been launched 4 weeks back, almost 1 month, right? Maximum. So this ROI for Tiny Storm has given 10.6% so far. Nifty ATM Star has been launched 1 month ago. Maybe it's ROI 3.33% so far. So BNO Shine Star is a Bank Nifty options. It's a writing option for Bank Nifty. So this is phase 0 drawdown. 1 month back, this strategy has been launched. This is 6.52%. This is Golden Shadow, is a purely gold commodity oriented strategy. This drawdown has came for 16.72% in the early stages. Now this ROI has given 9.28% for a 1 month. So Silverstorm, this is 1.98 is ROI so far is given. So the drawdown is 1.55%. So this is the Zebu own strategy. This is absolutely free of cost. We are not charging, we are not asking any profit sharing to the customers. Okay, this is completely free. You can use it. Another one, there are 4 to 5 types of strategies also there. One, what are the thing is latest. You can use these filters. You can latest find the latest strategies there. You can click latest. What does the thing has been published earlier. You can see this. And then what are the strategies as minimum fees. What is the minimum fees? You can use those kind of strategies. 1 minute. These are the strategies for a minimum fee strategies. They are charging as a free, but they are asking 18% profit sharing from the strategies which they have given. So this is 5 plus, 2 plus, 10 plus based on that profit sharing. Okay, in these cases, what is the thing I need to look? So forget everything. Just before you invest or before you choose some strategies, you need to look these kind of words. First thing is minimum capital requirement. What is your investment size? Think before.
you need to choose the strategies based on the minimum capital requirement. So this is minimum you need to keep at any point of time in your account, okay, as a free margin, so as an invested margin, okay. So this is minimum capital. Drawdown you need to check. Drawdown means what is the least side risk I am facing. So 6.09% from the invested capital for the strategy. ROI is 81.43 cumulatively. The strategy has been launched 8 months ago, but averagely total return they have given 81% so far. So monthly is an average maybe for a 10%. So you can divide it by this. It's a cumulative ROI they have given for a last 8 months. Okay, so then you need to check with that. Another one, whether the strategy is a free or I need to pay for something. Okay, you need to check with that. If you are not paying for this amount for the end of the day, that strategy creator will ban you to subscribe the strategy or further. Okay, this plan will be expire on every monthly basis, so that you need to renewal with the proper checkout day and the proper reminder day should be there. Okay, so maximum free strategy is also there. You can check for a free or paid. So you can check with the free, lot of free also there. Ramana sir will guide you for further. Okay, so in these cases you can check what is very least and having a good return based on the capital you can check. Okay, is everything you need to verify, which is giving a very free, you can prefer with this. So this is Bank Nifty trend following. This is absolutely free. Okay, but the minimum capital is not at 10,000. I think as a trend following, they have some certain stocks or this kind of thing. I think. Okay, so the ROA has given 1.129%, 129%. So it's a 3 months ago the strategy has been framed. So this is the case is most important. You need to check whether this is good or not. Are you here? Are you with me? Is there any doubt? You can ask me. I will explain you further based on this. You can execute. I will show you how to restrict the orders. The two things is there. One, you need to create or you need to deploy. If you create, you can fix by your own convenient. Okay, or else you need to deploy. With that, you need to go with the strategy. Okay, that is more important. And then you can do something. What is the thing is that if I want to subscribe some strategies, I need to in the marketplace, if I find any good strategy, just click, I am saying just to subscribe the strategy. Okay, just subscribe the strategy. The strategy has been subscribed. Okay, and then you have to go for a my strategies. In that my strategy, it's the last bottom. You can see the subscribed strategies. You have to go for my strategies in last areas, subscribe strategies will be there, and then you need to click deploy. If you click deploy, that thing is asking two questions. You need to check. One is I'm using a live auto, I need to select broker. This entry will be take place as live. Or if you want to take as a paper trading, so just a dummy trading, if you want to take place to measure your ROI or everything, you need to check with the strategy. You have to go with this for a paper trading, and then this will be automatically default. Just click deploy. Okay, so if I want to deploy this paper trading, I need to deploy this. Okay, my strategy has been deployed. Okay, this is very simple. You need just 2 seconds to 3 seconds, you can deploy the strategies. Okay, in this case, my deployed strategies, I need to go here. In this case, you can use multiplier. For 1x, 2x, 3x multiplier should be there. you need to use it before you deploy for a 1x multiplier or 2x multiplier or 3x multiplier. You can limit your trades based on this area. Another thing, if you want to, 1 minute. In live data, I will show you live data. In live data, so live trading. Okay. In live data, so it shows in a live auto, status is active. You can pause the strategy. If you want, you can pause the strategy. The strategy has been paused. The strategy won't take any entry further if you pause to the strategy. If you want to do that, you can pause. Then you can start the strategy again. You can click strategy. The status has been changed into active. Another one thing, if you want to exit the strategy, 1 minute. If the position was running, just imagine this position was running, this position is didn't close, you need to click here and do exit. This strategy is having this facility. When some market is position is running, you need to click exit. Okay, so pause and click exit. That before you need to pause. If the strategy start now, now you need to pause and click exit. Your position has been exited manually. Okay, so then this algo won't take place any further entry. This once you exited, the strategy will be activated based on the condition was given by the condition provider until not by you. Okay, the strategy has been taken place by their end. Okay, so this is a key point you need to use. If you are not have any proper idea about this, if you lead some miscommunication, if you did some with unknowingly, that thing is leads for a big losses. Okay, so don't do like this without any consideration further. Don't do manually. There is no manual intervention required for algo trading. That is what we have preferred. Algo trading is so better. So clients is getting a reasonable return nowadays. So don't, nowadays is making money is most easiest one, but losing is most complicated one. The people is unwantedly want to put some lot of information to their head, and then they are taking a wrong decision. They have picking a very wrong strategy or wrong worst condition, and then they are making and losing money. Okay, but the thing is happening like this. But just simple, you need to do one thing. Every day 9 o'clock you need to log in your trading account. That is very important. So nowadays is the most thing is losing is very tough, gaining is very easy. So just make it simple, don't make more complicated. Okay, so algo is the main motto is just trade made easy. That is a main agenda for algo. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me, I will guide you further, or else we will wind up the session. Ramana sir, is there anything from you want to add something? You can speak.
I would like to thank everyone for taking your precious time in joining this meeting. If you have any further questions or any clarifications, reach out to me. I'll share my email and my telephone number so that you can reach out to me anytime for any clarification. And there is a group is available, those who are already joined and doing the trading. So once you onboarded, you will also get access to that group. So we'll be posting the recent updates and any clarifications in that group.
So you have seen some questions in a chat box. Yes, if a position is running, you don't want to interrupt it manually. Okay, so if you want to close your position without proper guidance, you don't do anything. So that is most important. Okay. See, if you want to exit from TradeTron, your position should be closed manually. Okay, So until the algo can be activated again, that position will be reactivated. That is the case. Okay. So better, my suggestion as per the algo, if you allow that, that will be far better. Or else if you want to execute any entry with further, if you have any additional span margin, you can buy and you can sell by your own, not depend on algo. So don't disturb with the algo trading. You can do by your manually. That is the thing is far better. Is there any doubt? See, is as per the thing, we have suggest the people just deploy algo trades, and what are the strategies is best to you, just deploy. The trades will be automatically take place. Before that, we need to take measure how much capital you have. So we have 1 lakh rupees. We suggest you to deploy the 50,000 rupees capital. The rest of the 50,000 will be in a surplus mode. Okay. So that thing, you need to 50% capital has been deployed. That before we have to suggest which is the best to you to you can take place. You need to do one thing disciplinarily. You need to log in your trading terminal before 9 o'clock. So the rest of the thing will be taken care by algo. Okay. So before you need to check. So what are the return has given, what are the drawdown has given. You need to check completely. So instead of doing manual trade, the algo trade is giving favorable to you two people. So that is the thing we are. This is my suggestion to you all for this kind of thing. How to choose strategies? So that before I am saying is strategies is a thing is there in that marketplace. You want to go which is suitable to you, which is the thing is given lot of return to you. You can directly choose and deploy that. That is the thing. First, you need to subscribe that strategy, and then you need to deploy that. In this, you need to go for a marketplace and deploy the strategies. You need to go for marketplace, and then you need to measure what are the strategies is given a good return, what is their drawdown, everything, what is the capital requirement. You need to check everything. This criteria, you need to look for a three types of thing. Is a capital, what are the capital you need to give. If you have 1 lakh rupees, just deploy your 50% of the capital. Then you need to look what are the capital strategies has given is capital required for below 50,000 or 55,000. You need to look that. So then you need to check for the drawdown. What is the maximum risk we need to face? Is this the maximum risk for your capital from invested capital? So what are the ROI they have given as a cumulatively for a total 1 month? So this kind of thing you need to check for every month. Okay, so this is recent days this is given. This is monthly fee for 199. This creator has charged. This creator has charged for this. If you want to subscribe this, you need to pay for him, and he will give you as a coding. So this is a way you need to subscribe the strategies and deploy it. This is the thing. Okay. So, sir, this is ROI for monthly. Here we are not assured any ROI. You need to check for your portfolio. You are the sole authority for your earning and your risk. Everything is there. Okay. So you need to check before that. If I want to check this kinetic, just example I'm saying. If I want to check this strategy, one minute. You need to check the payoff diagram. So before the payoff diagram, so entire thing is there. This strategy has been taken place from July 2020. So first month they have given 16,000 as a return. August month they have given 28,000 return. So you need to check month on month what are the return has given. In November month they have given 2.4% as a loss. So everything should be there in that. So you need to check month on month which is good to you. You can subscribe based on the strategical report. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for your wonderful time, and happy Holi to one and all. And then thank you, Mr. Ramana sir, for providing the opportunity to present over here. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thanks everyone. Thank Karthik sir.
Thank you. Thank you.